Alright, so Ricky Repairs back at it again. Today we have a 2007 Ford Ranger. As you can see, the glass is broken. Alright, so let's go ahead and replace that. Alright, let's go ahead and get the Phillips screwdriver from inside. This one right there. This one in the bottom. This one right here. Alright, just gonna get those. So after that, just go to remove this little cover right here. Let's pry it out. Just one hook right there. Another one right there. Same thing with the bottom ones. Just go and wiggle it. It's right there. You saw this one. The one in the bottom. Alright, so next thing you want to do is remove this handle right here. Just go and pry it slowly. Be careful, be gentle. You don't want to break it. Once you pried it, just pull it. Just pull that to the side. So there's going to be a Phillips, if not a Torx. So you have to remove that in order to remove this handle right here. So it's actually a Torx. Alright, let's go and find the size. Alright, so the size for that one, the Torx, is going to be a T15. Alright, just going to remove it. So I have to put the Torx in first in order it to go in. I'm just going to remove it. Alright, so you have to have the right tools in order to get it out, as you can see. After that, just go and wiggle it. Come right off. Don't lose that bolt. Alright, let's put that to the side. After that, we could remove this panel right here. Just gotta remove it. Alright, so let me show you all the hooks. Just go ahead and wiggle it, push it upwards. So these are all the hooks that's holding on to it. This two right here, that one, this one. The three bottom ones right there, that one, last one over there, on the top right there. On the very top right there, the last one is up there. All right, so once you go ahead and put it back in, just go make sure you align it. All right, just go remove the mirror now. All right, so now you'll have access to the bolts right here. You'll remove this cover. Just going to remove those. You don't have to remove this because you want to reuse it again. This is the plastic cover. Alright, just going to remove those bolts right there. There's one going to be one all the way up here. That one right there. Alright, just going to remove the two bottom ones. Alright, so the size for those bolts are size 11. Alright, just going to remove it. Alright, so you don't want to drop that little bolt right there. Sooner reuse it. Just gonna put it in a safe place. right, so yeah, please don't try this at home. Ideally, you want someone holding it from the back, but if you don't have someone like me, just go ahead and do this. Well, it's actually holding. It didn't fall off, but if you want it drop, just go ahead and push it. Yeah, let's drop it. Why not? All right, go ahead and line your bolts. Same thing. So once you have it aligned, just go to tighten the two bottom ones. If you lose the last bolt, it's okay. Let's play. Better get the last one. All right, so there you have it. Next you want to get is the door handle right here. Well, actually, no, you can't do that. You have to put the panel first. All right, so make sure you align it. All right, so there you have it. Just gonna put the Phillips back in, and this whole door handle right here, the window. Just gonna put this back in. This one. All right, so go ahead and put the Phillips back in. This one, and the one at the bottom here. The last thing you want to do is put the cover back on. This one. So I did remove it before I dropped the old one. So yeah, it doesn't fall off, but I'm the one who just let it drop. You can just pull it from right here. Just wiggle it and pull it backwards. It'll come off. All right, just gonna put this hooks back in. All right. All right, just gonna fit back in. So the last thing to do is put back the cover. As you can see, it's right there. Good as new again. So there's the mirror. Alright, just gotta get the old one out. It's right here. So it's the same for the 2006 up to 2011. All right, so if you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.